Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to discuss about one of the basic topic in Java, which is ternary operator, which is also much important. A ternary operator evaluates the test condition and executes a block of code based on the result of the condition. Here this is the syntax for the ternary operator. Here first we will evaluate the condition. Then if the condition becomes true, it will execute the expression 1. And if the condition becomes false, it will execute the expression 2. This is the internal implementation of the ternary operator. Let me discuss a simple example on ternary operator. I am taking int x equal to 20, int y equal to 10 I am taking. Let me write the condition. If x is greater than y, question mark, I am saying in the string provide the x is greater. That means if the condition becomes true, print x is greater. Otherwise print y is greater. Colon. I am assigning it to a variable result, where result equal to, that's it. That means here what we are doing here is, this is the condition. If the condition is true, that means x equal to 20, y equal to 10. X is greater than y, that means 20 is greater than 10. The condition is true, so it will print the x is greater. Let me print it. Result. Control Shift format, Control C. See here, x is greater as printed. This is the basic example. Let me discuss another example, like using lambda expression inside the ternary operator. Like for example, I am taking arrays dot as list. Inside the list I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as in numbers. Press Ctrl plus 1, assign statement to the new local variable. I am taking this as numbers. See here, what I am doing here is collections dot sort. I am taking sort method. Inside that I am passing the numbers, comma. Before that I will do a sysout. Before sorting. See here, numbers, pass the variable, reference variable numbers, comma, by using the brackets I am taking the, initially I am taking I1 comma I2, integer 1 comma integer 2 as a parameters. By using the lambda expression, what I am doing here is, if I am writing the condition like if I1 is less than I2, I am saying it as 1, colon I1 is greater than I2, I am saying it as -1, colon 0. Control Shift format. Control Shift format. See here, what I am printing here is I want to print in a descending format. That means I want to print in a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 format. By default, collections.sort will print in a ascending format. Like for example, see here, collections.sort. I'm passing numbers. Simply, I will just do this. Something like 3, 2. I will do Control Shift format. Before sorting, I am printing. I will print sysout after sorting with default. So by using collections dot sort. I'm printing numbers. Sysout after sorting with lambda expression. Numbers. Control Shift format, Control Shift. Here in this sysout it will print the as it is numbers, that means before sorting. After that I have passed the numbers so that it will sort in a ascending order. This by default this will sort in an ascending order, and it will print in an ascending order in the 17th line. After we have used the lambda expression, that means, see here what I mentioned, I have taken I1, I2, integer 1, integer 2 as a parameters. I1 is less than I2, question mark 1 means this will print in a descending order format. I1 is greater than I2, question mark -1, colon 0. This will print in a descending order format. Let me run as Java application. See here, before sorting, this is after sorting. By using collections.sort, it will print in an ascending order format. By default, this sort method will take in an ascending order format. And by using the lambda expression as a parameter, we have taken integer 1, integer 2 as parameter, and we have did some written some logic by using ternary operator that will print in an descending order format. See here, this one. This is one of the basic examples that we have discussed by using ternary operator. Thank you.